Pasting text into Excel without splitting on spaces, or other delimiter. I recently used the text to columns feature in Excel to split a column of data into multiple columns based on the space character. Now when I paste text into Excel, it automatically splits it into multiple columns without using the text to columns feature. Is there a way to revert this functionality back to normal?
This seemed to work, but is a bit involved. Enter data into a cell. Select the text to columns feature. Make sure delimited is selected and choose next. Uncheck the check next to space, or the delimiter you want to disable. Click Finish.
I created a quick macro and added it to my personal.xlsm file. Here is the code. This more or less does the same thing that Lee Riffle has suggested, except it is a quick macro run.
Or just click into the formula bar or into the cell as if you are typing, then paste, it will then only go into that cell. Lol, creating a macro, so overcomplicated.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.